Hello, good morning, children. 26 May mensuration brain teachers. I go for question first. Let it A part. I go for B part. There are 5 parts. First part is find the number of edges of a polyhedron having 20 faces and 12 vertices. So what is your formula? F plus V is equal to E plus 2. F is your 20, V is your 12 is equal to E plus 2. So from here you can find E. E is equal to 20 plus 12. 32 minus 2 is equal to 30. Number of edges is equal to 30. Now second, find the surface area of a cube whose volume is 729 cubic meters. So what is the volume of a cube? Side whole cube. Now here side whole cube is given. Find surface area of cube. Surface area of a cube is equal to 6L square. So volume of a cube is given 725 cubic meter. So this volume of cube is equal to side whole cube is equal to 729, and 729 is the cube of 9. So here both sides same powers, 3 cancels, S is equal to 9 meter. Find side. Now therefore surface area of a cube is equal to 6L square. 6 into 9 square meter. 6 into 81 is equal to 486 square meter is your surface area of a cube. Third, volume of a cylinder is 2376 cubic centimeter. If the diameter of its base is 12 centimeter, then find its height. To find its height, volume of cylinder is given. What is the volume of a cylinder? Pi r square h is given. Diameter is given. From this diameter you can find radius. After that you can find height. So diameter d is equal to 12. Therefore radius is equal to 6 meter. Height h we have to find it from these questions. Volume of cylinder is given. V is equal to 2376 cubic centimeter. So what is the volume of a cylinder? Pi r square h is equal to 2376. From here this formula you can find h is equal to 2376 upon pi r square is equal to 2376 upon pi 22 upon 7 into 6 into 6. This 7 goes to numerators. 2376 into 7 upon 22 into 6 into 6. 22 1s are 22 1 8 are 2376. 6 6 are 36. 36 3s are 108. 7 3s are 21. Thus height h is equal to 21 centimeter. Next, D. Draw the solid represented by the views given below. This is your top one, front and side view. So all match this top view. This is your front view and this is your side view. This called your solid. Yes, you have to look at in this shop. Okay, so this is called your solid. Now find the total surface area of a cuboid. What is the total surface area of a cuboid? 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. To find the total surface area of a cube, we have to given length, breadth and height. Length is 10 centimeter, breadth is 8 centimeter and height is 6 centimeter. So length 10 centimeter, breadth 8, height 6 centimeter. Total surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL square centimeter. 2 into 10 into 8 plus 8 into 6 plus 6 into 10. 80, 48, 60 is equal to 188. 188 2s are 376 square centimeter is the total surface area of a cuboid. So what is the total surface area of a cuboid? 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. What is the total surface area of a cube? 6L square. What is the lateral surface area of a cube? 4L square. And what is the lateral surface area of a cuboid? It is 2 into L plus B into H, area of 4 walls of a room. Now second questions, find the area of the given quadrilaters. So what is the area of given quadrilaters? General quadrilaters, half into diagonals into sum of the perpendicular drawn on this diagonals, half into AC into, I take care E and this one F, half into AC into BE plus DF. So make your diagram in this way: A, B, C, D. I take care point E and this one F. So what is the area of general quadrilaterals? Half into AC into BE plus DF. Half into AC 6 into 3.8 plus 7.2 11. 2 1 are 2 3, 11 3 are 33 square centimeter. In this way we can find the area of general quadrilaterals. If one diagonals and two perpendiculars are drawn on this diagonals, then we can find the area of general quadrilaterals in this way: half into AC into H1 plus H2. H1 represents your first perpendicular drawn on diagonals, and H2 second perpendicular on this diagonals. Now I go for third sum. Fourth and fifth sum will be your homework. Yes, third sum. A field is in the shape of a trapezium. So what is the area of a trapezium? Half into AC is your half into AC into half into the sum of parallel sides A plus B into height half into A plus B into. So a field is in the shape of a trapezium. One of its parallel side is twice the other side. It means other side is your unknown. Let the other parallel sides be x and first parallel side is twice 2 into x, and the distance between them h is equal to 100 meters. If the area of the field is 10,500 square meter, find the length of the parallel sides, only length of parallel sides. So here this is a trapezium. ABC is a trapezium. Perpendicular distance between two parallel lines is 100 meters. Let the second parallel sides be x and first parallel side is equal to 2 into x 2x. Let second parallel side be x, second parallel side is b bx, and first parallel side is a is equal to 2 into x. Height h 100 meters. So area of a trapezium A is equal to 10,500 square meters. Half into A plus B into h is equal to 2x plus x. A is your first parallel size, B is your second parallel size, and this 2 goes to multiply on the other side, and 100 is multiplied, it is goes to get divided by. So 2020, 105 into 2. Don't find their product because we take this 3 to right hand side on divide. 3 1 are 35, 35 2s are 70. So 70 is your x is your second parallel sides of a trapezium. But in questions you have to ask find the first parallel sides, and first parallel side is equal to 2 into 70 is equal to 140 meters. So do questions 4 and 5. Question 4, same as page number, it is given you page number 230, and question 5th, the total surface area of a cuboid, that is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So please try to do self question number 4 and 5th. Tomorrow I will solve the other questions of this brain pages. So bye bye, have a nice day.